What's up everyone, on today's update video I will be talking about a breakdown Bitcoin could be getting right now here on the 4-hourly time frame, together with a 12-hour bear flag potential breakdown, and much more will be getting discussed on today's video. So make sure to slap up the likes. Can we hit 400 likes on today's video? It will be absolutely amazing, and let's dive right away in towards the content. So currently we can see Bitcoin really squeezed its price action in towards its apex, and of course the most important region for me to see Bitcoin flipping is that 31 to 32k region to flip bullish and to target basically that 35k target we have been talking about several times before. However, we're not doing so, and we're coming down. We're breaking our upward sloping support line, and like you can see, this could be leading towards another potential movement towards the downside for Bitcoin if we are going to close it below our support region. If we're going to create a big wick on the lower side, we're probably going to show a lot of strength, and Bitcoin could be potentially, of course, still moved towards either direction. So take that in notice. But like we can see, volume has been dropping in this symmetrical triangle, price action getting suppressed in the symmetrical triangle. So we're definitely going to see a massive amount of volatility enter the market. And since we're seeing the breakdown happening right now, the volatility will be probably start in the coming hours ahead of ourselves. More importantly, also looking at the 12-hour time frame, and this is once again, guys, there is a potential possibility Bitcoin is of course going to create a big wick on the lower side and still move up towards that higher region. So please, we can still move up from here on, but Bitcoin is indeed showing a lot of weakness. We're creating a bear flag, typical bearish bias continuation pattern. This could be, of course, spell some more troubles, and what I'm basically aiming for is not necessarily the bear flag target, but the targets I will be aiming for are on this chart over here. So monthly support for Bitcoin, basically the monthly support has also provided very strong support last time around for Bitcoin here, back on that massive big wick on the lower side on the chart. You can see 28.9k is the monthly support target for Bitcoin, and that is also the target I'm currently aiming for, that Bitcoin is most likely going to be holding up here. So that is why I'm going to be targeting for that level for a potential entry, 28.9k. If Bitcoin, however, does decide to fall below it again, next major support target is going to be 26.2k, basically weekly support. So of course we have touched this level several times before in the 4-hourly time frame, and also our weekly resistance levels above here, basically the 31 towards 32.2k region, got us rejected massively, previous time around here. This could be, of course, another retest we're currently having. It looks to be that Bitcoin is just losing a little bit of its strength here on the 4-hourly time frame, like you can see over here, and is on the RSI really curving back over towards the bearish momentum, like you can see right here. So there is that possibility that Bitcoin is going to lose some ground here and come down a little bit lower in towards the coming hours ahead of ourselves. And mainly currently, it is happening due towards the S&P 500 having some bad news from some bad companies losing, basically having bad revenue reports, and that is why the S&P 500 is coming down in this larger scale, falling wedge pattern, and the S&P 500 is currently really dragging Bitcoin down. Because if we're going to look at the S&P 500 and the Bitcoin chart, you can clearly see, S&P is currently moving down massively, dragging Bitcoin with it. But as long as Bitcoin is going to be basically hold on towards this this horizontal range over here on the 1-hour time frame, I think everything is still going to be alright for Bitcoin. Bitcoin could be creating, of course, a larger time frame pattern here, somewhat of an descending triangle is a typical bearish bias pattern. But we could be seeing some more consolidation before creating that big move here, of course. But do take in consideration, there is probably going to be a high amount of volatility coming towards this market in the coming hours ahead of ourselves, and don't get caught off guard. And of course, if we're going to be moving down here, I will be filling my orders up even further on. If you're interested in buying altcoins, make sure to check out the link in the description where you can find Bybit, where you could start to accumulate all kinds of altcoins, all kinds of other projects as well here. So make sure to check that out. That's absolutely interesting and absolutely important to check out right now here, since the market is indeed falling and we are trading in these sphere stages, what does clearly provide opportunities. So guys, thank you so much for watching towards this amazing new update video here on the channel, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Peace out. Goodbye.